Good morning, students. I am Vineet Srivastava, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication. This is 7th video lecture of CS 304, that is Digital System. This is the video lecture of Binary Codes, Part 1. Because we have basically covered this topic in 2 parts. So here we discuss in Part 1 about the basics of the binary codes, classifications, and discuss some binary codes. Now we move to the forward. These are the outlines, prerequisite, always required as a starting of any topic. Objective, there is a certain objective. Binary codes, what is the binary codes we discussed. Then we discussed about the type of the binary codes, weighted binary codes, because the binary codes are basically divided in different type of classifications like weighted, non-weighted. So here we discuss weighted binary code. In weighted binary code, we discuss 8421 code. This is also known as BCD. Then we discuss 2421 code, 5211 code, 5211 code. That is also a weighted code. The digit obviously shows the weight. Reflective code, sequential code. Then we have exercise based on these codes and the discussion of the lecture, learning outcomes, and at the last there is the references. So these are the outlines, and we discuss the video on the basis of these outlines. Now this is the prerequisite required here. Students should have a basic knowledge of binary bits, because we already discussed about the binary bits and the conversion. So there is a little bit idea about this. Students should have a basic knowledge of decimal and binary number systems also required, because here we discuss about the BCD, binary coded decimal numbers. So student at least having some basic idea about the decimal and binary number system. We also cover the number system in previous video lecture. So all the students having the idea about the decimal and binary number system, so that we can easily cover the prerequisite requirement for the lecture. Now we have some objective here. Binary codes makes the designing and analysis of digital circuit easy, because when we design digital circuits, then we use the binary code. So they makes the simpler when we design any digital circuit. In computing and telecommunications, binary code are used for various methods of encoding data, such as character strings into bit strings, because today is the time of the telecommunication or computing. So there is also requirement of the encoding. So we use this binary codes for the encoding purpose during the communications. So it is a very good objective of the binary codes used in telecommunication field. Now we discuss about the binary codes. What is the binary codes? The first successful system of the electrical communication was the telegraph. In the telegraph, where we are basically sending some dot and dash sign, and with the help of these pattern of dash and dot sign, the receiver are basically having some message. So, invented by Samuel Abbey Morse in the year 1832. So when we push the button in short time, there is something dot are sending by the transmitter. When we push the button for a long time, then we create a dot or dash due to the changing of the time duration. So with the pattern of these dot and dash, the receiver are basically having some message. So these are some encoding techniques and the binary codes initially which are used. Now the group of symbol is called as code. A group of symbol are called as code. And digital data is represented, stored, and transmitted as a group of binary bits. This group is called as binary code. Digital data are represented in the form of different type of groups, and this are basically known as binary code. So in other words, we can say when a number of letter or words, because we are using for encoding purpose different number of words and letters, are represented by a specific group or symbol, then we can set that the number, letter or word is being encoded. So when the words and letter are basically represent a specific group, then we can say these word or letter which are used for representation of any group are being encoded. In other words, we can say the binary codes can be used for representing the number as well as alphanumeric letters. So there are different representation of the binary codes. Now, binary digit also be utilized to make such various combinations that these may be considered as binary code. As we know that there are different type of the group, symbols, digit, and we can use different type of the combination and pattern with the help of these binary digits. So it can be considered as a codes. Now, types of binary codes. So basically we have different type of the classification like weighted code, non-weighted code, reflective code, sequential code, alphanumeric code, error detecting code. But we are basically talking about some of these codes. The binary codes are divided as 8421 code, that's a BCD code, 2421 code, 5211 code, these are the weighted code, gray code, access 3 codes, these are non-weighted code. We discussed how we can differentiate whether the code is weighted or non-weighted. So these are basically some important binary codes. Now, important note point here, 8421, 2421 and 5211 are weighted code, while the other two are non-weighted binary code, because these 8421, 2421, 5211 are basically representing the weight here. That's why it comes under the category of the weighted code, while gray code and access 3 code comes under the category of non-weighted code. Okay, now we discuss about the weighted binary code. The value assigned to the consecutive place in the decimal system, which is a place value system, are 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, as so on, from left to right. From left to right. But when we're talking about, we are concentrating here 10 to the power 0, because this is the center point. So from this point, we move from left side. So this is for numbers, like we are starting from here, then we move into the left for any given number. The weight are basically corresponding here, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, and 10 to the power 4. And from when we move from right side, from the center point, we have 10 to the power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. How we can understand? We understand with the help of one example here. This is the example. So how we can understand the things? Suppose that this is the example 3546, 3546.25. So this decimal point is basically a center point. So from here we start, when we move from this point into left in this direction, we start with 10 to the power 0 initial point multiplied by 6. Student, again concentrating here, this is the point. Suppose that they are actually gives the value only 3546, then we start with 6. So initial point is 10 to the power 0 here. This is the starting point. So we start with 6. So 6 into 10 to the power 0. Then we move in left, then 10 to the power 1 here. Here again this is 10 to the power 1, and the second point is after 6 is 4. So here again is 4. Now we move. This is 10 to the power 2 here, the 10 to the power 2, and the third term is 5 here. So this is the third term is 5 here. So we follow the pattern starting with 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, and write down the number 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3, 5, 4, 6. After multiply and added them simply. This is the representation, because when we multiply and added, we have this value 3546.25. And what will happen after this point in right side when we move in right side here? So we have 2. So when we move right side here, so we have first value is 10 to the power minus 1. So this is the 10 to the power minus 1, and first term is 2. So here 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 1. The second weight is 10 to the power minus 2 here, and second term is 5 multiplied by 5. So this is in the case of decimal. Now we change the base, then the weight is automatically changed. Now value assigned to consecutive place in the binary system. Here we discuss about the decimal system. Here we discuss about the binary system, which is also a place value system, but called a weighted binary system R. Now we are talking about binary. That's why here the base is 2. So again, this is the initial starting point, 2 to the power 0. Okay. This is the initial starting point, 2 to the power 0. When we move left, this is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 5, so on. And the right side, 2 to the power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So if this is the example, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is LSB and this is MSB. We start with LSB here. So first bit is 0 and the initial first bit is 2 to the power 0. So what will happen? This was 0 here and initial bit is 2 to the power 0. Now second bit is 1 here. This is second bit is 1 and second bit is 2 to the power 1 here. Third bit is 1. Here third bit is 1, third bit is 2 to the power 2. Here the third bit is 2 to the power 2. Now we have 2 to the power 3, 4 bit is 0, 0. Now remaining bits are 1, 1, 1. So we have 1, 1, 1 and we have 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6. So this is the same method, but we change the value of the base because we are talking about binary. Here we are talking about decimal. Okay. So when we solve this, so this is can be easily converted. So this is the basic concept of the bit. Here each position have a different bit. That's why we are talking about bitted binary code. Okay. Now we move to the next, that is binary bit. Again we discuss. It is important, student concentrating here. When there is an 1 in a digit position, bit of that position should be added. Again, student concentrating here. When there is a 1, because in digital we use logic 0 or 1. We used only 2 digits, 0 and 1. When there is a 1 in a digit at any position, weight of that particular position is considered and added. When there is a 0 in a digit position, weight of that position should be not considered. Disregard it, because in binary we have only 0 and 1. So how we can understand this thing? For example, binary number is 1110, because here we have only single 0 and 3 ones, has a decimal equivalent of, how we can consider? So again we start with here, student again concentrating here, it is very important point. Again we start from here, that is the center point. So again we are talking about binary, that is 2 to the power. So here we start with 2 to the power 0. Initial weight is 2 to the power 0. Next weight is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. We are consider only 4 bit because here we have only 4 bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why we are consider 4 bit from starting position. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 means the weight is 8. Here, suppose we start from here, initial point. So 2 to the power 0 means, 2 to the power 0 means value is 1. But here initial bit is 0. So this 0 is multiplied with 2 to the power 0. So when 0 is multiplied by 2 to the power 0, when any quantity multiplied by 0, the final value is 0. So first 0 is multiplied by 2 to the power 0. So this is 0. Next, second one bit. This 1 is multiplied by the second weight, that is 2 to the power 1, 2 into 1. So we have 2. So here 2. Third bit is 1. Again, this third bit is multiplied by third weight, that is 2 to the power 2, 4. 4 into 1. This is 4. This is last bit, that is fourth bit, having value 1. Here fourth number weight is 2 to the power 3, 8. 8 into 1, 8. So what will happen? We just multiplied this digit to the corresponding weight. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. These are weight multiplied by the weight 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have weight 8, 4, 2, 0. When we add it, we have 14. It means, clear these note points, when there is a 1 in a digit position, the weight is considered. Here in these three positions, 1 is the bit. So all these three cases in which we consider the weight 8, 4 and 2. These are the weights in these three cases 8, 4, 2. But here at this position 0. In the case of 0, the weight disregarded, weight will not be considered. Initial weight is 2 to the power 0 is 1, but due to bit 0, this weight cannot be considered. So where the weight is 1, at that particular position weight is considered, and if the bit is 0, the weight is not considered. Okay, so this is a very important point. Now we move to the 8421 BCD code. This is a very important code. 8421 weight position from left to right, as we know that 8421, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0, because it is represent 4-bit representation BCD. So initially 4-bit we have weight is 8421. So this is decimal number, as we know that this is the decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and according for this decimal number we have binary number 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, ये corresponding binary numbers. And the 4-bit representation here for symmetry purpose, as we concentrating here up to 0 to 3, we again student concentrating here. In 0 and 1 we have only requirement of 1 bit. Okay, now we are talking about here from 2 to 3 we require 2 bit. Here we require 2 bit. Okay, now from 4 to 5 up to 7 we required 3 bit. Okay, now when we move 8 and 9, the requirement of the bit is 4. So what is the highest requirement of the bit requirement? That is 4. So for symmetry purpose, we convert all the binary number when we represent in 8421 in 4-bit, because highest requirement of the bit is 4 in case of 8 and 9. So we add extra 0, because here when we convert this into 4-bit, we have only single 0, we have extra 3 0 here. Here 1 we added extra 3 0 here. This is 2-bit, so we add extra 2 0 at the MSB position. Here again we add extra 2 0. Here 3-bit converted into 4, we add extra 0 here in each case. So all the representation in 4-bit. Here this is again already 4. So this is for symmetry purpose. How we can consider this 0 is equivalent to 8421? As we know that when the bit 0, the weight is not considered. So here at the position of 8, this bit is 0, this bit is again 0, all the bits are 0. So the no weight can be considered. If the no weight are considered, final number is 0. For representation of 1, this is 1, only this position we have value digit 1. So this position weight is 1, remaining is bit 0. So overall value of the weight is 1. For this representation of 2, this is the position of 2 and this is the value of bit 1 and remaining position value bit 0. So this is 1 and the weight of this position is 2. So we have 2. In case of 3, if we are talking about, we have 1 1, 2 and 1. In the position of 2 and 1 we have 1 1. So when we add 2 plus 1 we have 3 here. Now we discuss about, suppose that this one 0 1 1. So at the position of weight 8 we have 0 and remaining 3 position 4 to 1 we have weight we have bit 1 1 1. 1 means weight consider. So weight 4, 2, 1 are considered. So when we add 4 plus 2 plus 1, this is equivalent to 7. In case of 9, at the position of 8 and at the position of 1, the bit is 1. Remaining position bit is 0. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So when there is position, the bit 1 is present, it means the weight is considered. When bit 0 is present at that respective position, weight cannot be considered. Now suppose that BCD representation in 1, 6, 16, we separate represent here because we know that in BCD 1 is represented by 0, 0, 1. So this is 0, 0, 1 for 1, and 6 is represented by 0, 1, 1, 0. So 6 is represented by 0, 1, 1. So this is the BCD representation here. Now we move to 2421 code. This is approximate same with 8421, but here the weight is, this code also a 4-bit application code where the binary weights carry 2421 from left to right. So this is decimal number, binary number, here 2421 code. Like for 2421 code, all the bit are 0, so the number is 0. For 2421 for 1, only position of weight 1 having digit 1, remaining are 0. For 2, we have 0, 0, 1, 0. So at this position weight is 2. So at this position we have bit 1 here, and due to this, like this is the position 0, 1. From here this is the position of 2. So at the weight 2, the bit is 1. So we have overall weight is 2. Now for 3, at the position of 2 and 1, at the position of 2 and 1, the weight is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now suppose that for 8, so we have 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 2, 8. So we have 1, 1, 1. So from here we have 2, 4, 2. Initially we have 3 values here. When we move from left to right, 2, 4, 2, 2 plus 4 plus 2, we have 3, 1. So all the weighted of added, all the weights are added at the respective position, we have 8. So the concept is same, but the weight are different. So we move to the 5211 code here. This is also important code. This code also a 4-bit application code where the binary weight is 5211 from left to right. Decimal number, binary number, and 5211 code. Again, for representation of 0, all the bits are at logic 0, no weight consider. For if we consider random number like 4, how we can add 4? If we add 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So we have logic bit 1 at the position of weight 2, 1, 1. So we have 0 and 1, 1, 1. These 3, 1 represent the weighted position 2, 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. For suppose that for 5, so we have only bit 1 at the position of 5 here, remaining are 0. So similar point for 9, we add 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 9. So we have 1, 1, 1. All the weight are added, so we have 9. So concept is similar, but the weight of the respective position are changed in each code. Reflective code is also important code. What is the reflective code? Decimal number. So this is the representation here. So if we are talking about, reflective code, this is decimal number. Student concentrating here. This is basically the binary number. So this is just considered as a binary number in place of the decimal. So this is the decimal number. This is the binary equivalent here. So this considered as a binary number. This decimal is considered as a binary number. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. We have easily convert decimal number into binary. We have 2421 and 5211 code already. So what is the important thing about reflective code is, if we are concentrating here, this is the 2421 code for binary number 0, and we here this is decimal number 9, and 2421 code is 1111. You all of you know that about the complement. Complement of 0 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0. All the students are known very well about this. The complement of 0 is 1, complement of 1 is 0. So if we are talking about 2421 code of 0 and 1111 code, 2421 code for digit 9. So these are complement to the each other. If we are talking about, these are the complement of each other. 000 complement, if we are taking one's complement, so 0 is replaced by 1, so we have this number. Okay, so now concentrating in second point, this is the number 1, 2421 code is 0001. So here 8, that is the code is 1110. So if we are concentrating here, 0001, one's complement is 1110. 000 replaced by 111 and 1 replaced by 0. So this is again similar case. Again similar, these things are in 5211 code. If we are talking about, this is 000 and this is 111. So this is the complement of each other. Now for this 0001, this is the complement 1110. Now from first, second, third here, from first, second, third here, third to third, 00 replaced by 11 and 11 replaced by 00. So these are the ones complement of each other. So this is a concept that if we are talking about reflective code here, 2421 code of decimal number 0 and 2421 code of decimal number 9 are complement to each other. 2421 code of decimal number 1 and 2421 code decimal number 8 are complement to each other. Similar for 5211 code. This property belongs to reflective code. What is the final outcomes of this discussion? It can be observed that in 2421 and 5211 code, the code for decimal 9 is the complement of the code for decimal 0, as we discussed in previous slide. Complement of code of decimal 9 and code of decimal 0 in case of 2421 and in case of 5211 are complement to each other. Next point, the code for decimal 8 is the complement of the code for decimal 1. Then we move from 0 to 1. Here we move from 9 to 8. So 8 and 1 are complement to each other. The code for decimal 7 is the complement of the code for decimal 2. So from 0, 1 to third, and from bottom 9, 8, 7. So 2 and 7 are complement to each other. So the code which follow this property comes under the category of reflective code. Okay. Now 8421 is not a reflective code because in 8421 are not follow this type of property. Sequential code we discuss. This is decimal number, binary number. This is 8421 code. So what about in sequential code? We have, if we are concentrating in these two consecutive codes here, there are only one single bit are different. 000 here, here 000, only this 0 is replaced by 1. Only there is a change in one bit. Okay. So if we are concentrating here, next two consecutive, this 0 is same, this 0 is same, this 1 is same, only this 0 is replaced by 1. So again, only difference in one bit. Two consecutive here. Now we're talking about 0 same, 1 same, this 0 is same, only this 0 is replaced by 1. Okay. Again, suppose that in last two case here. So if we are talking about, so this 1 is same, this 0 is same, this 0 is same, only this bit is 0 is replaced by 1. So if we are compare two consecutive codes, there's only one single bit is differ. So the code which follow this property comes under the category of the sequential code. Now we discuss about this. Sequential code are the code in which two subsequent numbers in binary representation differ by only 1 bit. As we seen that there's only 1 bit are changed between two subsequent codes. 8421 example of sequential code, not a reflective code. 24215211 not a sequential code, they are reflective code. So it is important questions. Now we have exercise. Binary coded decimal is a combination of, we have options: 2 binary digit, 3 binary digit, 4 binary digit, 5 binary digit. We already discussed. The decimal number 10 is represent in its BCD form. We also discussed in one example in discussion. These are the example. Code is a symbolic representation of information, continuous, discrete, analog signal, both continuous and discrete. When number, letter, or word are represented by a special group of symbols, this process is called decoding, encoding, digitizing, inverting. We also discussed at the initial slide. So we have all the discussion regarding this MCQ exercise. Now we have learning outcomes, important point. Since 0 and 1 are used, implementation becomes easy because we use 0 and 1s in binary codes and all the digital. That's why the simplification of the binary codes in any designing are very easy. Use in digital communication, because nowadays digital communication is more popular, like mobile communication, broadcasting, everywhere the digitalization are required. So also use these codes in digital communication. It is, these codes are important part of the digital communication. Binary codes are suitable for computer application because we know that in computer understand only binary language. That's why this code are very suitable and effective for the computer applications. These are the references. So in this video lecture, we are basically discuss about the binary codes, basics of the binary codes. Then we move to the classification and we discuss weighted codes here: 8421, 2421, 5211, codes, sequential codes, reflected codes. Here we cover all the weighted codes. In the next upcoming video, we are basically cover the non-weighted code, that is the access 3 and gray code are very important regarding the examination point of view. So we discuss these codes in the upcoming video lecture. Thank you, students.